Have you ever felt a knot in your stomach before a big presentation? Or experienced butterflies fluttering in your gut when you're nervous? These feelings aren't just metaphorical. They highlight a profound connection between our minds and our digestive systems, a link that has fascinated scientists for centuries. We often think of mental health issues like anxiety or depression as purely psychological, problems rooted in our thoughts and emotions. While this is certainly part of the picture, what if there was another layer to consider? What if our gut health, the trillions of bacteria residing within us, played a significant role in shaping our mental well-being? For years, this idea seemed outlandish, relegated to the realm of alternative medicine. But mounting scientific evidence is revealing a fascinating truth. Our gut microbiome, the complex ecosystem of microorganisms living in our intestines, has a profound influence on our brain and our overall health. This intricate connection, known as the gut-brain axis, involves a constant bidirectional communication between our gut and our brain, mediated by various pathways including nerves, hormones, and the immune system. This isn't just about digestion anymore. The gut microbiome is now recognized as a key player in regulating mood, sleep, cognition, and even stress responses. Building on this, research suggests that imbalances in the gut microbiome, known as dysbiosis, can contribute to a range of mental health disorders. Think about it. When you feel stressed or anxious, your stomach often reacts with discomfort. You might experience nausea, bloating, or irritable bowel syndrome. These physical sensations are not coincidental. Stress hormones released by your body can directly impact the composition and function of your gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and digestive issues. This two-way street works in both directions. A healthy gut microbiome can help buffer against stress, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Conversely, an imbalanced gut can exacerbate anxiety and depression symptoms, creating a vicious cycle. This leads us to the question: how can we understand this complex interplay between our gut and brain? Building on this intricate connection between gut health and mental well-being, let's delve into the fascinating world of biochemistry and physiology that underpins this phenomenon. The communication highway between your gut and brain is a multifaceted network involving neural pathways, hormonal signals, and immune responses. This complex interplay begins with trillions of microorganisms residing in your digestive tract, collectively known as your microbiome. These bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes are not simply passive inhabitants. They actively interact with the cells lining your gut, influencing everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. One crucial way these microscopic residents communicate with your brain is through the vagus nerve, a major cranial nerve that acts as a direct link between the gut and the brain stem. This nerve transmits sensory information about gut contents and microbial activity to the brain, influencing mood, cognition, and even stress response. Studies have shown that stimulating the vagus nerve can reduce anxiety and depressive symptoms in animal models. Conversely, disruptions in vagal signaling have been linked to increased susceptibility to mental health disorders. For instance, researchers at the University of California, Los Angeles found that individuals with major depressive disorder exhibited reduced vagal tone compared to healthy controls. However, the communication between gut and brain extends beyond the vagus nerve. Short-chain fatty acids, produced by beneficial bacteria during the fermentation of dietary fiber, play a crucial role in this dialogue. These SCFA, including butyrate, propionate, and acetate, can cross the blood-brain barrier, directly influencing neurotransmitter production and brain function. Butyrate, for example, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain, while propionic can modulate serotonin levels, a key neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation. Furthermore, the gut microbiome influences the production of neurochemicals like dopamine and GABA, both crucial for regulating emotions, motivation, and cognitive function. A healthy microbiome fosters balanced neurochemical production, promoting mental well-being. Conversely, dysbiosis, characterized by an imbalance in gut bacteria, can disrupt this delicate equilibrium, contributing to anxiety, depression, and other mood disorders. This leads us to another fascinating aspect of the gut-brain axis: the role of inflammation. Research increasingly suggests that chronic low-grade inflammation, often triggered by an imbalanced microbiome, plays a significant role in mental health disorders. When harmful bacteria dominate the gut environment, they release toxins and inflammatory molecules that can travel through the bloodstream, affecting various organs, including the brain. This systemic inflammation disrupts brain function, contributing to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even impacting mood regulation and cognitive abilities. Studies published in Nature Reviews Neuroscience have demonstrated a strong correlation between gut dysbiosis and increased levels of inflammatory markers in the blood and cerebrospinal fluid of individuals with mental health disorders. The journal Frontiers in Immunology has also published studies demonstrating that specific bacterial species can trigger inflammation in the brain, exacerbating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Understanding these intricate biological mechanisms is crucial for developing effective therapies targeting the gut-brain axis. By addressing gut dysbiosis through dietary interventions, probiotics, prebiotics, and even fecal microbiota transplantation, we can potentially restore microbial balance, reduce inflammation, and ultimately improve mental well-being. Understanding these intricate biological mechanisms is crucial for developing effective therapies targeting the gut-brain axis. But here's the catch: the current standard advice often falls short, leaving many struggling with mental health issues feeling frustrated and unheard. Why? Building on this growing scientific understanding, we need to delve deeper into why conventional approaches sometimes fail. You see, while acknowledging the importance of a healthy diet, exercise, and stress management, they often fall short of addressing the root cause, the complex interplay between gut microbes and the brain. Let's face it, the eat your vegetables mantra, while well-intentioned, doesn't always cut it when dealing with chronic mental health conditions. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a gaping wound. While these lifestyle changes can certainly contribute to overall well-being, they often fail to address the underlying microbial imbalances that are fueling the fire. This leads us to the crucial question: why do standard advice and interventions sometimes fall short? Firstly, there's a lack of personalized approach. We're all unique, with distinct gut microbiomes shaped by our genetics, environment, and lifestyle choices. A one-size-fits-all approach simply doesn't account for these individual differences. What works wonders for one person might be ineffective or even harmful for another. Imagine trying to treat a complex illness like diabetes with a generic prescription that doesn't consider your specific blood sugar levels, insulin sensitivity, or family history. Secondly, our modern lifestyle is designed to disrupt gut health. Processed foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients wreak havoc on the delicate balance of our microbiome. We're constantly bombarded with stress, sleep deprivation, and exposure to environmental toxins, all factors that further contribute to gut dysbiosis. Imagine trying to grow a flourishing garden while neglecting essential nutrients, constantly exposing it to harsh weather conditions, and introducing invasive species. The results wouldn't be pretty. Thirdly, the standard medical model often focuses on symptom management rather than addressing the root cause of the problem. This means that medications might effectively alleviate symptoms like anxiety or depression, but they don't necessarily address the underlying gut microbiome imbalances driving those conditions. It's like treating a leaking faucet by simply placing a bucket underneath. It might contain the mess temporarily, but doesn't solve the underlying plumbing issue. Finally, there's a lack of awareness and understanding surrounding the gut-brain axis among healthcare professionals. While research in this field is rapidly progressing, many doctors still haven't fully grasped the profound impact that gut health has on mental well-being. This can result in missed diagnoses and inappropriate treatment plans, leaving patients feeling lost and unsupported. Imagine trying to navigate a complex maze without a map or guide. It would be frustrating and disorienting. However, there is hope. As research continues to unravel the intricacies of the gut-brain axis, we are gaining valuable insights into how to restore microbial balance and improve mental health. This knowledge empowers us to shift from a reactive approach focused on symptom management to a proactive approach that addresses the root cause, the gut microbiome. By incorporating personalized dietary interventions, targeted probiotic therapies, probiotic supplements, and even fecal microbiota transplantation in certain cases, we can potentially achieve lasting improvements in mental well-being. The future of mental health lies not just in treating symptoms, but in nurturing the very foundation of our well-being, the intricate ecosystem within our gut. And that's where personalized interventions come into play. This isn't about a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about tailoring strategies to your unique gut composition and mental health needs. Think of it like having a customized blueprint for your microbiome, guiding you towards a healthier state of mind. Building on this understanding, let's explore some actionable steps you can take to nurture your gut and, consequently, your mental well-being. The first pillar is diet, the very fuel that feeds your trillions of microbial residents. We often talk about food as sustenance for our bodies, but it's equally crucial for our gut microbiome. Certain foods act like probiotics, essentially nourishment for your beneficial bacteria. These include fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Think berries, leafy greens, apples, bananas, oats, quinoa. A colorful plate is a happy plate. Incorporating these regularly provides the fuel that promotes the growth of those good guys in your gut. However, not all foods are created equal. Processed foods, high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, can disrupt the delicate balance of your microbiome. They feed the harmful bacteria, leading to inflammation and ultimately impacting your mental state. Think about cutting back on sugary drinks, processed snacks, fast food, anything that lacks nutritional value. Next, let's talk about probiotics, live microorganisms that directly introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut. You can find these in fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and kombucha. These foods act as a direct infusion of good bacteria, helping to repopulate and diversify your gut flora. However, it's important to note that not all probiotics are created equal. Different strains have different effects on the body. Some may be better for digestion, others for mood regulation, or even immunity. This is where working with a healthcare professional can be beneficial. They can help you choose the right probiotic strain for your individual needs. Probiotics, which we mentioned earlier, work in tandem with probiotics. They act like fertilizer, promoting the growth of those beneficial bacteria already present in your gut. Think about incorporating foods rich in probiotic fibers like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas into your diet. Beyond diet, lifestyle factors play a significant role in shaping your microbiome. Stress, lack of sleep, and sedentary habits can all negatively impact the balance of your gut flora. This leads to a vicious cycle. An imbalanced gut contributes to stress, which further disrupts the gut, exacerbating mental health issues. So, how do you break this cycle? Managing stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can have a profound impact on both your gut and your mind. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Regular physical activity not only benefits your physical health, but also stimulates the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. Finally, fostering a sense of connection and community can also positively influence your microbiome. Strong social bonds contribute to overall well-being and resilience, buffering against stress and promoting mental health. Remember, this isn't about quick fixes or miracle cures. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes that nourish both your gut and your mind. By adopting these personalized strategies, a healthy diet rich in probiotics and probiotics, stress management techniques, quality sleep, regular exercise, and meaningful social connections, you can cultivate a thriving microbiome and pave the way for lasting mental well-being. Now, remember, this isn't about quick fixes or miracle cures. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes that nourish both your gut and your mind. By adopting these personalized strategies, a healthy diet rich in probiotics and probiotics, stress management techniques, quality sleep, regular exercise, and meaningful social connections, you can cultivate a thriving microbiome and pave the way for lasting mental well-being. Building on this foundation of mindful living, imagine the long-term benefits that unfold when your gut and brain work harmoniously. You might find yourself experiencing a profound shift in mood stability, feeling less susceptible to anxiety and depression's grip. Stress, that persistent, unwelcome guest, becomes easier to manage, replaced by a sense of calm and resilience. This isn't just about feeling better. It's about unlocking your full potential. A balanced microbiome can enhance cognitive function, sharpening focus, boosting memory, and fostering creativity. You might notice yourself thinking more clearly, making decisions with greater ease, and approaching challenges with renewed enthusiasm. Furthermore, the positive effects extend beyond mental health. Studies show a strong correlation between a healthy gut and improved physical well-being. Chronic inflammatory conditions, often linked to an imbalance in the microbiome, can be mitigated, leading to better overall health. However, this transformation isn't a passive process. It requires active participation, a willingness to embrace change, and a commitment to nurturing your inner ecosystem. This leads us to a crucial question. Where do you begin? How can you start cultivating a thriving microbiome today? The answer lies in small, deliberate steps that integrate seamlessly into your daily life. Start by paying attention to what you eat. Choose whole, unprocessed foods, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains which are rich in probiotics, the fuel that nourishes beneficial bacteria. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your diet to introduce a diverse range of healthy microbes. Beyond diet, prioritize stress management techniques that work for you. Mindfulness meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, all these practices can help calm the nervous system and create a more balanced internal environment. Ensure you're getting quality sleep, allowing your body and mind to fully rest and regenerate. Regular physical activity is not just beneficial for your body, it's a powerful stimulant for your microbiome. Engage in activities you enjoy: walking, dancing, swimming, gardening, anything that gets your body moving and boosts your mood. Finally, nurture meaningful social connections. Spend time with loved ones. Engage in activities that foster a sense of community, and cultivate relationships that bring you joy and support. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. These seemingly simple steps, when embraced consistently, can create a profound ripple effect, transforming your gut health and, in turn, enhancing your mental well-being. Start today, one step at a time, and witness the remarkable power of nurturing your inner ecosystem. The future of your mental health hinges on it.